girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajay Destiny. Today's video is sponsored by Ashimaryhair. They decided to send me a beautiful 26-inch bust down. I want to know how I got it installed and who installed. Of course, keep on watching, but let's get into the unboxing. So this is the Ashimary box. It came with a lot of goodies. I'm not gonna lie, I love this. This is probably my favorite unboxing. Be sure to include some lashes, a hair wrap, an edge control, and also the little ear covers. Oh my gosh, a bonnet, and then this is the hair. It was so pretty. It was like a blonde and gray. This is the lace. Honestly, the lace was T. When the hairstylists tell you, like, girl, this is a decent lace, you know it's T. It's deep in the middle part. It comes with combs in the inside, also elastic bands, and also the side elastic bands as well. They know how to brand. They make sure you knew it was them. But be sure to keep on watching. Thank you so much, Ashimaryhair, for sending me this beautiful install. If you guys are very interested, please go hit that link down below. Let Ashimaryhair know I sent you. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how you guys enjoyed this install.
Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer. Shawty flap it, shawty tight it. Should stay dip all night it. With you, I missed you, picture it. Now it's time I get back up with you, girl, with you. Oh yeah. We used to kick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up. Rockin' them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes truck. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was Niecy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is, hey, man, I don't need no hook for the shit. Fragrance on my shirt from when she hugged me. Hard as a rock when she touched me. You know, cause she with bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no white. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no white. One time, I need to, 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 I need to. Right now we're just taking time.